Okay, so I just want to record that it looks like we have solved the issue with Snip and Sketch and similar apps not properly working in ink mode. So I can capture Snip and Sketch. As you recall, if I use a highlighter, it worked, but we were getting flickering when using a hard pen. But look at this. Now works really nicely. So I can happily annotate without any interruptions, nice and smooth on this machine, which is great. So what I found the actual fix was found in Microsoft Answers that somebody who had a problem with the Surface Book. Interestingly, I think being the UHD, anyway, had this issue, flashing using ink and whiteboard and sticky notes. And just further down here, basically there's a group policy issue. So this is back in quite a long time ago, 2020. And as it's clear here, it needed to have this Windows Manager group. And that was in fact missing on my machine. So as you can see, I've now successfully added it. Now, if you go into here and search for Window Manager, it just locks up. You can't find it. So to do that, so then I found, I guess I also found confirmation from this page on Microsoft about removing this group, which some enterprise IT people might be doing, affects things with the Unified Memory Act and particularly the ink workspace. So it's exactly the problem that I've had, right? So that user had been removed, and this hint on super user or Stack Overflow says you need to use this object. Now, if you export from group policy, if you do an export of security settings, you can do an export and then open it up. You will find, and after I've done some editing, so that is the missing magic number. I'm not sure if you call it GUID or whatever. I think this is the administrator, and this is the group that was missing. And as per this suggestion here, so you need to install that with group policy. So I just did a group policy and import that file that I had. So I can just do that again. You just import it. It's silent. You need to do a reboot, and then the problem went away. So really happy. So that will possibly help a lot of people.